Hello and welcome to Health Lifestyle Tips, where your well-being is our priority. Today, we're taking a refreshing spin on oral health, focusing on 10 natural teeth whitening techniques. Now, who wouldn't want a bright, confident smile without the harsh chemicals or hefty price tag? These natural methods not only promote whiter teeth but also contribute to overall oral health. So buckle up and prepare to say goodbye to stained yellow teeth. Stay tuned as we dive into these 10 amazing techniques that will help you achieve a brighter smile naturally. Starting off our list is a traditional Indian method known as oil pulling. This technique involves swishing a tablespoon of oil, typically coconut, sesame, or sunflower oil, around your mouth for about 15 to 20 minutes. The idea here is that the oil attracts and binds with the bacteria and plaque in your mouth, which are then expelled when you spit out the oil. The benefits of oil pulling extend beyond just whitening your teeth. It's also said to improve oral health by reducing harmful bacteria, preventing tooth decay, and even alleviating bad breath. To make the most of this method, it's best to do oil pulling first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Remember not to swallow the oil as it's full of the bacteria and toxins you're trying to get rid of. While it may seem unusual, oil pulling is a highly effective and natural method to whiten your teeth. Next up, we have a common household item, baking soda. You might be surprised to find out that this kitchen staple is not just for baking. It's also a natural teeth whitener. Baking soda has natural whitening properties, which is why it's a popular ingredient in commercial toothpaste. Its mild, abrasive nature helps scrub away surface stains on your teeth. In addition, baking soda creates an alkaline environment in your mouth, which prevents bacteria from growing. Now, how do you use it? It's quite simple, really. Just mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 teaspoons of water and brush your teeth with the paste. You can do this a few times per week. Remember, while baking soda can help brighten your smile, it won't whiten your teeth dramatically, but it will help remove surface stains and discoloration. So don't underestimate the power of your baking essentials. They might just be the key to your brighter smile. Our third technique involves hydrogen peroxide, a natural bleaching agent. This chemical compound is not only used for wound cleaning but also holds a significant place in the world of dental hygiene. Its natural bleaching properties make it an effective solution for teeth whitening. When you brush your teeth with a solution containing hydrogen peroxide, it can help whiten your teeth by breaking down complex molecules that cause tooth discoloration. Moreover, many commercial teeth whitening products contain hydrogen peroxide, albeit in varying concentrations. This further attests to its effectiveness in returning that sparkle to your smile. However, it's not all about aesthetics. Hydrogen peroxide also helps kill bacteria in your mouth, which can lead to healthier gums and fresher breath. Despite its bleaching properties, remember to use hydrogen peroxide sparingly to avoid damaging your gums and enamel. It's a powerful tool in your oral care routine, but like any tool, it should be used wisely and moderately. Moving on, we have 2 techniques that involve your diet. First up, let's talk about fruits. Certain fruits, particularly strawberries and pineapples, can aid in teeth whitening. Strawberries, for instance, are rich in malic acid, a natural enzyme that can help whiten teeth. You can make a strawberry paste by mashing up 1 or 2 strawberries and brushing it onto your teeth. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse and brush with your regular toothpaste. Pineapples, on the other hand, contain an enzyme called bromelain. This enzyme is so effective at whitening teeth that it's often used in commercial toothpaste. Eating a slice or 2 of pineapple a few times a week can help keep your teeth looking their best. Now let's move on to the second technique, limiting sugar intake. Sugar is a major culprit when it comes to tooth discoloration. When sugar is left on your teeth, it provides a perfect breeding ground for the bacteria that cause plaque. This plaque not only leads to tooth decay but can also cause your teeth to take on a yellow or brown hue. So how can you limit your sugar intake for the sake of your teeth? Start by reducing the amount of sugary drinks in your diet. This includes sodas, fruit juices, and even that morning cup of coffee with added sugar. Instead, opt for water, unsweetened tea, or coffee without sugar. Also, try to cut down on sweets and desserts. If you do have a sweet tooth, make sure to brush your teeth or rinse your mouth after indulging. Another tip is to read food labels carefully. Many processed foods, including sauces, cereals, and even bread, can contain hidden sugars. Opt for fresh whole foods whenever possible. And when you do eat processed foods, choose those with no added sugars. Remember, a balanced diet is not just good for your body but for your dental health as well. Our next techniques involve everyday habits and a popular kitchen ingredient. Let's delve into the world of regular brushing and flossing first. It's not just about keeping bad breath at bay or avoiding the dentist's chair. Brushing twice a day and flossing at least once can significantly improve the color of your teeth. This dynamic duo works together to remove plaque, that sticky substance that clings to your teeth and harbors bacteria that can discolor your teeth. Regular brushing and flossing can keep this plaque in check and prevent your teeth from turning yellow. Now let's talk about the type of toothpaste you're using. It's worth considering a brand that contains baking soda or hydrogen peroxide, as these ingredients are known for their natural whitening properties. Remember, brushing for 2 minutes is the golden rule. Now, let's shift gears and introduce a popular kitchen ingredient that can contribute to teeth whitening: apple cider vinegar. This pantry staple is famed for its health benefits, and one of them is natural teeth whitening. Apple cider vinegar acts as a natural bleach and has antibacterial properties to boot. It's the acetic acid in the vinegar that plays the starring role here. It breaks down plaque and other substances stuck on your teeth, helping to brighten your smile. Before you start gargling with apple cider vinegar, however, heed this advice. Its high acid content can erode your tooth enamel if used undiluted or too frequently. Therefore, dilute 1 part vinegar with 2 parts water and swish it around your mouth for about 1 minute, rinsing thoroughly with water afterward. With these techniques, maintaining a bright smile becomes part of your daily routine. Now let's round off our list with 3 preventive techniques. Firstly, let's talk about avoiding certain foods. Foods and drinks with powerful colors such as berries, coffee, and red wine can cause staining over time. It's not about completely eliminating these from your diet, but rather being mindful of their effects. After consuming such foods, consider rinsing your mouth or brushing your teeth to minimize their staining impact. Secondly, we move on to smoking. It's a well-known fact that smoking is harmful to your overall health. But did you know it's one of the leading causes of teeth discoloration? The nicotine and tar in cigarettes can turn your teeth yellow or even brown. Quitting smoking not only benefits your overall health but also contributes significantly to maintaining the whiteness of your teeth. It might seem like a daunting task, but remember, every journey starts with a single step. Last, but by no means least, regular dental checkups. These are crucial for maintaining good oral health. Dentists can professionally clean your teeth, removing plaque and tartar that you might have missed during your daily brushing and flossing. Regular checkups also allow your dentist to catch potential problems early, preventing further damage and discoloration. It's advisable to visit your dentist at least twice a year for a thorough clean and checkup. So there you have it, 3 preventive techniques to help maintain your pearly whites. Avoid stain-causing foods, quit smoking, and make regular visits to your dentist. Remember, it's not just about achieving that bright smile. It's about maintaining it. These techniques, when combined with the others we've discussed, can significantly enhance the brightness and healthiness of your teeth. Incorporate them into your lifestyle, and you'll be well on your way to a more confident and healthier smile. Prevention is always better than cure, especially when it comes to maintaining a bright and healthy smile. From oil pulling to avoiding stain-causing foods, these methods are not only natural but also beneficial to your overall oral health. Remember, regular brushing, flossing, and dental checkups are just as important. These techniques can lead to a healthier, happier you with a brighter smile. So why not give them a try? Here's to a healthier, happier you with a brighter smile.